Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying hardware and securing your files. Check TPM2. 0. CPU compatibility, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. That avoids install failures. Once done, back up critical documents to an external drive or cloud so you can recover quickly. Then create or sign into a Microsoft account for syncing, or set a local account if you prefer privacy. Make sure Windows Update is enabled. It fetches drivers and fixes that keep the installation stable as you proceed. You will now install and configure Windows 11. Run the Media Creation tool or choose Upgrade via Windows Update and follow prompts. Pick Clean Install only if you backed up everything. When prompted, partition or format drives carefully. Select the correct volume to prevent accidental deletion. After installation, install chipset and display drivers, then review privacy settings so telemetry matches your comfort level. Enable BitLocker for encryption and confirm Windows security is active. These steps protect you. Finish by personalizing and validating the setup. Adjust Start Layout, taskbar preferences, virtual desktops, default apps and power plan so your workflow feels right. Run Windows Update one more time and update apps from the store to patch any initial bugs. If something breaks, like boot loops or missing drivers, enter safe mode to uninstall bad drivers or use the system restore point you created earlier. That often reverses changes quickly. If problems persist, restore your backup and retry the install calmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.